What's up, my name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. So today's footwork move we're going to work on is called the jumping six step. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply it today. Hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so for this video, you will need to understand how to do a basic six step. So if you don't know how to do that, be sure to check out my previous video I did on that before coming to this one. Alright, so for a jumping six step, we're really just adding a little bit of hop every time we should be doing a hook in our six step. Okay, so that'll be part one, and also when you're coming over here, this part. Okay, so first part I'm going to do, instead of going straight to the hook and just staying there and stepping back, I'm actually going to swing up and hop. So I'm going to hop back a little bit, trying to get to this position here. So what's going to happen is I'm not going to land in this spot. I'm literally going to have this leg in the air, and it's going to come to part three. So just the front part, I'm going to add a little bit of hop from that hook. So hop, down, step. So try that again. So 6, 7, 8, hop, down, step. So same thing for this one. As I go for this hook, I'm going to give a little bit of hop, lift my foot in the air, and come down. So instead of going step, step, I'm going hop and around. So let's try that from the back. So 6, 7, 8. This is step, hop, down. So one more time. 6, 7, 8. Step, hop, down. So now you want to think, again, whenever I'm trying to go for the hook, that's when I'm jumping. So here we go. So we're going jump, 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 jump. All right, so once you have that side down, let's try going the other way. So again, same thing going clockwise. Every time I go for that hook, that's when I'm adding my jump. So when I sweep my left, that's my first jump. So I'm going jump, back, back. Now, when I go to this side, again, this is where my hop is, hop, back. So let's try that going all the way around. So I'm going hop, 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 hop. All right, so once you have that down, let's try to go back and forth. So we'll do 2 6 steps going counterclockwise and then 2 6 steps coming back the other way. And all of our reset will be coming back to our neutral. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, other way. 1, 2, hop, hop, hop. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes hop, 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 other way, hop, 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 hop. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor, like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one. Again, your same technique for your six step is still the same, so make sure you keep that. Also, when we're going for our hooks, that's the only time we're adding our hop. So every time you hook to go to the back or hook to come to the front, that's when we're getting that little bit of a bounce just to make our six step look like it's jumping. So I'd love to see you practicing and training hard, so go ahead and post up a video of yourself and make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong. I'll be sure to give you shout outs and props and good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel right now, and also comment down below what you liked about it, what you learned from it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.